Hello everyone, this is Bala Sahib Tarle. Today we are discussing about the subject data mining and warehousing. The topic is basic concept of data mining. The objective of to study the concept of data mining, to understand the concept of data, information and knowledge. The content of this video is like that. What is a data mining? Data mining is extracting knowledge from large amount of data. Data mine is looking for hidden, valid, potential, useful patterns in huge data set. Data mining is all about discovering unsuspected or previous or unknown relationship amongst the data. It is a multidisciplinary skill that uses machine learning, statistics, artificial intelligence and database technology. In data mining, there are so many applications in today's internet scenario, in banking sector, in weather measurements, in medical fields, then fraud detection in banking, stock exchange, defense, like that. Data mining is also called as knowledge discovery, knowledge extraction, pattern analysis, information harvesting, like that. The extraction of interesting pattern of knowledge from huge amount of data. In data mining, knowledge discovery from data, it is a process include data cleaning, data integration, data selection, transformation, data mining, pattern evaluation and knowledge presentations. What is a data? Data, you can say that it is unorganized or raw facts required to be processed to make it meaningful. The data generally we can facts, observations, numbers, character, symbol, images, statements, like that. Data is always interpreted by a human or machine to derive meaning. So data is a meaningless. Data contains number of statements, character in a raw form. For example, here 3, 9, 18 and 24 are pet animals, dog, cat, cow, and another is the decimal numbers. These are also all are data. Data are two types. One is structure type, another is unstructured type. Structure types data is generally formed in the form of matrix form. In matrix form, there is rows and columns in matrix form. Number of rows is called as records or observations, and number of columns is called as features, attributes or variables. The generally beginners level data that is a structured data. Another is unstructured data. Unstructured data generally is a huge amount of data. That is data is generated from Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, images, recordings, then tabular form or messages, or you can say as various images or IoT or like that application you can collect the data. That is a unstructured data. And example of unstructured data is Facebook or WhatsApp. And structured data example is your email or Google or Amazon. And data are again two types of data, qualitative data and quantitative data. It is a qualitative data, it is the non-numerical data. For example, texture of the screen, color of eye, green color shirt or blue color shirt. These are, you can say, as a qualitative data. And quantitative data is number, in the form of number, how much, how many, like that. In what happens in the internet in 1 minute, how much data collection from in 1 minute in internet base or all sources data collection. Suppose you are purchasing the computer, laptop, mobile phone sold Amazon for .com, Flipkart, eBay, all the banking sectors. You can consider also Google's, Facebook, e-waste, USB devices, like that. There are so many sources of to collect the data. Here in this figure, in 2020, in 16 seconds, how many data generate? That is this slide. You can according you can show. Next is, what is the information? Information is a set of data which is processed in a meaningful way according to the given requirement. It is also involves manipulations of raw data. Data becomes information. First you have to data. Data is suppose 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers, or cow, dog, cat, these are the. Then it's processing, and that is become a information. Without processing, data is information, or you can say the data is meaningless. Suppose you are considering 10 number, but you are give the label, that is a rupees or dollar, it gives the value, that is the information, 10 rupees, or you can say as a $10. That is a information. Example of information, only when assign a context of meaning, that when the data become information. It all becomes a meaningful pool when you are told. Here again example here, 3, 9, 18, 24, dog, cat, cow, 151, all the decimal point numbers. Suppose 3, 9, 18, data become information. 3, 9, 18 and 24 are the first 4 answer in the 3 table. Dog, cat and cow is a list of household pets. Suppose you are considering elephant. Elephant is not household pets. Or suppose you are giving this one decimal numbers, 156.4, 157. These are the, suppose you are given the centimeters unit, which is the height of the person or height of the particular things. You can consider. What the difference between data and information? Here, collection of data from computer generation, that is the information. Data you can say as a, data is raw, unorganized facts that need to be processed. Data can be something simple and simply random and useless until it's organized. When information, data is processed, organized, structure and present in a given context. What the difference between data and information? Data is an individual unit that contains raw material which does not carry any specific meaning. Information is a group of data that collectively carry a logical meaning. Data doesn't depend on information. Information depends on data. It is measured in bits and bytes. Information measured in meaningful units like time, quantity, etc. Data never suited to the specific need of designer. It is a specific to the expectations and requirement because all the irrelevant facts and figures are removed during the transformation process. For example of data is student test score. The average score of class is the information derived from the given data. These are the difference between data and information. Next part, what is a knowledge? Knowledge is a combination of information, experience, and insight that helps the individual or organization. It is a link to doing and implies know-how and understanding. Data, information and knowledge. Suppose first your is data, data is transformed to the information, information is transferred to knowledge. Suppose your data you are considered a 10, then your processing we have given the label, that is a 10, you are given the label is rupees, that is it becomes information. Then experience and institutions, then 10 rupees is a cost of some particular instruments or particular goods, that is a you get the knowledge. Knowledge is accurate as it convey the true situations. It is available in time to make the most appropriate and correct decision. It provides all the necessary data, meaningful and useful for decision making process. Involves communications and reception information. Example of knowledge. Suppose here in previous example 3, 9, 18 and 24 are the first four answer of the 3 table. Tiger is not household pet and the tallest student is 186.3 centimeter height. Here what is the knowledge here? Tallest. Here it is a tiger is not a household pet and 3, 9, 18, 4 are the table, 3 stable values. These are the knowledge. Another example of knowledge here. Suppose you are given data. Data is 100. Then it becomes information. Suppose you are given the label is miles or kilometer. It is information is 100 miles. Then knowledge. Knowledge is again 100 miles is a quite a far distance. The quite far distance is a knowledge. And then wisdom. It is very difficult to walk 100 miles by any person, but its vehicle transport is okay. That is a wisdom. These are the data, then it transform in information, information is transformed in knowledge, knowledge is transformation in wisdom. Why data is important? Data is very important in data mining. Data is important tools, components, entity, and data is again you know the structure and structure form. That's why data is. What kinds of data generates? Database oriented data sets and application, that is a relational database, data warehouse, transactional database, flat files, server, warehouses. There are so many database sources. Advanced data sets and advanced application, that is data streams and sensor data. Data streams, suppose your live news or YouTube channels, these are streaming data. Or you can say sensor in IoT, that weather sensor continuously collecting the data from sensors. Time series data, temporal data, sequential data or biosequence data. Structural data, graph, social networking, multi-link data. Object-oriented, object relational databases, heterogeneous databases, and spatial and spectrum data set. Multimedia databases, text databases, worldwide web data. There are so many kinds of data. According here, the basic concept, what is the data? Then you have to one quiz. You have to fill up this quiz answer. These all answer are in our next slides. That is, data is a complete list of facts. Data is raw, unorganized, then unprocessed. Information is a processed, organized, and structural data. Knowledge is a combination of information, experience, and insight the help of individual or organization. Then data mining is a discovering interesting pattern and knowledge from the massive amount of data. These are the references. Thank you.